Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to create line graphs in Excel. So I've got some data here which shows monthly sales and profits trend. So I'll select this data, go to insert tab and select this line graph icon. So there I'm going to select the fourth one, line with markers. So now you have two lines, one for sales and one for profit, showing the monthly trend. So I'm going to right click and say add data label so that I get the numbers associated with these two lines. One additional tip here, if you want to smoothen this line, so you just need to right click, format data series. Under series option, go to fill and line, scroll down, so you'll get a option called smooth line. It's a checkbox, you can check mark so that you get a nice curve. So yeah, that's how you create line graphs in Excel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.